Students, so we continue. This is how you got to write it down in the tabular form. Now we go on for problem set 28. Draw circles with the radii given below. The first one is 2 centimeter. How do we take it 2 centimeter? This is your scale, and in this you have the centimeter. cm is written down. Put the pencil properly into this compass. This is called compass pointer. So place it on a rough surface and you check that both should be same level. Clear, children? So now, take the ruler, children. cm, that is centimeter. So you could place, there's a metal pointer in your compass and one side is the pencil holder. So place the scale on the surface. Keep the metal pointer at the start of the ruler and extend it till 2 centimeter, the marking 2, or place it on 2 and extend the pencil to the start of the ruler. So this is how, this is 2 centimeter. Place it on the area that you want to draw a circle. Look at the place that I am holding here, not the pencil. Here you have to hold so that it can be rounded. So place it properly, firmly, the metal pointer, and rotate the circle, children. Rotate the circle, slowly and steadily rotate the circle. There shouldn't be double lines formed in geometry, whatever is the figure. Look here. So we have got the circle ready. Now wherever you have placed, that will be, wherever means in the center only it will be. So you have placed it in the center, children. There will be a small dot because of the metal pointer. So from there till the edge of the circle, anywhere, this way or upside, just draw the radius. Okay, draw the radius right above that 2 centimeter. With pencil it won't be visible, so I'll use a black pen so that you can see clearly. 2 centimeter, and here you could write down radius equal to 2 centimeter and name the radius O. Usually center we are naming it as O, and here at the end P. So OP, radius OP is 2 centimeter because we had to draw a circle with the radii given below. Now we go on for the next one, that is 4 centimeter. Now same way, children, now we have to draw a circle with 4 centimeter radius. So here you go, extend the pencil. So metal pointer, place it on 4 centimeter. You can see here clearly 4. So place it on 4 and extend it till the start point of the ruler. This is 4 centimeter. So place it on the area in your book or page, wherever you are drawing. Look at this, hold this part, okay, and start. Don't move your metal pointer, and this is how we have completed the circle, children. So without moving the metal pointer and your fingers or hand, you are going to draw. Now we will draw the radius little different so that you remember that there is no hard and fast rule that you have to draw only straight ways. We can draw this way. So here point O is a center. This time I am writing as Q. Okay. So this is OQ. OQ is the radius, and little we have to tilt our book so that we write down 4 centimeter. Okay. So it looks nice, or else you can write straight also. So 4 centimeter, and just write down radius OQ, radius OQ, is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is all that we require for this particular circle. Now the next circle is of 3 centimeter. So next circle 3 centimeter. I widened it up. It was 4, so little. So here keep the metal pointer on 3. Extend the arms, children. So this is how 3 centimeter. You can check properly. Okay, 3 centimeter. Place it on the paper or your notebook and firmly fix it to the surface and start like this. Okay, if you want to stop somewhere, you can just stop, but don't leave your. I just stopped over there because little I was finding it difficult. So this way, but it has to be only one single line. Wow, look at that circle. Looks very beautiful, right? Yes. And now I will draw the radius this side. So you understand, we can draw radius anywhere. Only it is from the center to the edge of the circle, end of the circle. That is called radius. OM. So radius OM is 3 centimeter. And I'll just write down here radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius, you can name that radius OM is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we'll go on for the second question, children. That is, draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. It says so. Second question is, draw a circle of any radius. Draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. Hope you have understood the question, children. We have to draw a circle of any radius. So it's your choice. We have to draw a circle of any radius, and in that circle we have to show one radius, one diameter and one chord. So I will take 3.5. 3.5. Between 3 and 4 there is a marking, that is 3.5. Okay. Always between two numbers there is a marking, children, that is 0.5. So I am taking 3.5 radius. Place it. And draw the circle. Take the ruler, place it from the center to one of the end of the circle, or you can say touching the circumference, and draw the radius. So here we have drawn the radius. Okay, you can write down here 3.5 centimeter. Below you write down radius, small. Okay, up 3.5, below radius. Now diameter. Diameter is a straight line passing through the center of the circle. So from one end of the circle to the other end, it has to pass through the center. So this is our diameter. We'll name it as O. Center is O. Diameter we'll write down like this, big, so that it covers the whole line. Or you can show the arrow both the ways, so that you know this is diameter. This is the longest chord in a circle. Then now also we have to show a chord. So we can draw a chord here. Chord is nothing but a line that joins the two ends of a circle. So a chord will be of different sizes, because this chord is different size than the diameter's chord. Diameter is also chord, longest chord. So here you write down chord, C-H-O-R-D, chord. So this is it, children. Here the required circle we have drawn with 3.5 centimeter of our own choice. We have marked the radius, we have marked the diameter, and we have marked the chord. So our second question is ready. Now we go on for problem set 29. Problem set 29, there are two sums, children. They have given us the radius of a circle and they are asking us to find the diameter. The question is, if the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter be? So simple, I have already given you all the formula. First we will write down what is given. So radius of the circle, radius small r is equal to 5 centimeter. Diameter we have to find out. So diameter d is equal to question mark. So what will we write down? Diameter, or simply you can write d also. But we have to put this comma and write r. Only then you can use in the formula the short forms, the abbreviations. Otherwise you have to write the whole thing. Diameter is equal to radius into 2 or 2 into radius. Okay. So therefore d is equal to, radius is how much? 5 into 2. Therefore diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Double of radius. That's it, because radius is twice the length of the diameter. So final answer we will be writing down as diameter of the circle is 10 centimeter. That's it. Always double line. I'll show the whole sum to you. Okay, next question. Next question is, if the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? In the next question, they have given us the diameter of the circle and they are asking us to find out the radius. So how do we find out the radius? So here we go. So if the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, first you write down the diameter is 6 centimeter. So diameter of the circle d is equal to 6 centimeter. Radius of the circle small r is equal to question mark. So radius or diameter is equal to d upon 2, that is diameter divided by 2. Therefore radius is equal to, how much is diameter, children? 6. So instead of d, write 6 upon 2. Now divide. You can just cancel here. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. Therefore radius is 3 centimeter, or like most of the time you don't know this cancellation, go and divide it. That is, divide 6 by 2. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. So you know the quotient is your answer. So radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. Sorry.